SBET stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. So is Sharplink stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1 minute video. Now here's the biggest key here with SBET is that this is a bearish market. It's a proper one. I told you this, it's a guaranteed break even. Like, I'm not saying this in any shape or form to just say like in a way that it's bad. Is that I also, like, I did get the double break, and then break even has been put. And now what's next? Well, worst case scenario, it comes back up to 2167, and I walk away with 0. But this is also not forever. This is just these lows, and then we can manage the trade even lower. But it turns out that we came back into a supply, and since I got the beautiful confirmation, I'm looking to take things lower. I mean, it's very simple, and it was not always like this. I mean, if you've been watching me make these analysis videos on SBET, you're nodding your head now, because you know the first ever freaking trade that's made here, that was made there, absolutely delivered. Like, it delivered to the dot. Here it is. Like, it was $30.30 looking to take to like 52 or something, and that was phenomenal. So this is where we are now. This is obviously not financial advice, and if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, then yeah, just click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated.